EverBank is a popular financial institution, but have you ever wondered if they offer a mobile app? It's a question that many people ask themselves in today's digital age. In this video, we'll dive deep into EverBank's mobile app offerings and explore the features and benefits that it provides. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why having a mobile app is so important in today's world. Mobile apps have revolutionized the way we interact with our finances. They offer convenience, accessibility, and a host of features that can make managing your money easier than ever. Think about it. You can check your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and even apply for loans all from the palm of your hand. It's like having a personal banker available 24/7. Addressing the main question. So, does EverBank have a mobile app? The answer is yes. They offer a mobile app that is designed to provide users with a seamless and intuitive experience. Exploring the app's features. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that you can expect to find in the EverBank mobile app. Account management. Easily view your account balances, transaction history, and recent activity. Bill pay. Set up automatic payments for recurring bills and pay bills on the go. Money transfers. Transfer funds between your EverBank accounts or to external accounts. Mobile check deposit. Deposit checks directly into your account using your smartphone's camera. Loan applications. Apply for loans and credit cards directly through the app. Customer support. Contact EverBank's customer support team for assistance or inquiries. Highlighting the benefits. In addition to these features, the EverBank mobile app offers several benefits, including convenience. Manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. Security. Benefit from advanced security measures to protect your personal information. Efficiency. Save time by performing banking tasks quickly and easily. Accessibility. Access your accounts and services even when you're on the go. Addressing potential concerns. While the EverBank mobile app offers numerous advantages, it's important to address some potential concerns that you might have. Security. EverBank employs robust security measures to protect your data, but it's always a good idea to be cautious and avoid sharing sensitive information over public Wi-Fi networks. Compatibility. The app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, but it's always a good idea to check the App Store for the latest version and compatibility information. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, EverBank's customer support team is available to assist you. In conclusion, the EverBank mobile app is a valuable tool for managing your finances. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and security measures, it offers a convenient and efficient way to bank on the go. If you're an EverBank customer or considering opening an account, downloading the mobile app is highly recommended. It can save you time, effort, and potentially even money. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about EverBank's mobile app, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.